Hello, everyone. Welcome to another week of HIM 270 ICD-10 CM coding. This week, we have three chapters, and I want to give you a quick overview of what we'll be covering in these three chapters. First, we have chapter 10, fairly straightforward, about coding diseases of the eye. We have chapter 11, covering diseases and disorders of the ear and mastoid process. And then we have chapter 12, coding cardiovascular conditions. Of these three chapters, I want to give you a heads up. Chapter 12 on coding cardiovascular conditions is, in fact, the most challenging. But I think if you are familiar with the terms, if you follow the guidelines, the chapter specific guidelines, and the general coding guidelines, I think you will get through it. Your textbook has some excellent material about the chapter specific guidelines. I've kind of mixed it up a little bit on the discussions, so you'll actually get a chance to walk through a couple of coding scenarios and share with your fellow students. And then something I hope you find really useful, and I would appreciate anybody's input on this, is I have some additional reference material that I posted on Canvas that covers cardiovascular terms and exactly what some of these things mean in the context of coding. That means things like the difference between a STEMI and a non-STEMI, acute versus chronic heart failure, and so on. If you have any questions or need any help with this, please stop by office hours. Office hours, again, are held 2 to 3:15, Monday through Thursday. That's all I have for you. Have a great week and reach out if you need any help. Bye now.